Let me show you how we can fix navbar not showing on lock screen or always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So if you don't see this capsule, in order to fix that, you can first of all open settings. Now in here in settings, we're gonna go to notifications. In here, open lock screen, and you want to make sure that you have lock screen notifications enabled. It doesn't really matter what style is chosen for lock screen notifications. It's just important that these lock screen notifications are enabled. Besides that, another thing that you might want to do is you want to go to hide content while locked. So if the content is hidden, while you might be able to see the navbar itself, you might not be able to interact with these notifications or with these apps that are supposed to be displayed on the navbar. So you might not see any information whatsoever, you might not be able to manage the app, hence why this content must be shown, or at least you want to show the content of these apps that are supposed to work with the navbar. So for example, if the clock app doesn't really work correctly with the navbar, then you want to make sure that if you go to app notifications over here, and if you chose the app that is not working, then over here the content is not hidden, or generally speaking, the content is not hidden if you want to, of course, if you don't mind showing the content on the lock screen. And if you do, of course, if the content is hidden of your notifications on the lock screen, then you might want to go to app notifications and you might want to show always the content of these apps that are supposed to work with the navbar. And if that still didn't help, what you can also do is you can go to lock screen and AOD in here, and then we should be able to go to the navbar, and in here you want to make sure that all live notifications are enabled. Some of them might be deactivated, maybe you disabled them in the past and you don't really remember it. Maybe something happened in the meantime and you just are not aware of that. Of course, you want to make sure that these apps are enabled in here. You can also see all apps that you have on your phone that are supposed to work with the navbar, of course. And the same thing, of course, can be done with these additional information like the current mode, do not disturb, and flashlight. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.